안녕하세요. I am going to Chrislyn house. Norley and Chrislyn house. Ayo! 안녕하세요, Norley. Asa Chrislyn?
Nasa Baynatana.
Oh, nasa lang kita na. Kamusta naman ka, day?
Okay rin.
Hanggang sa kagikan?
Nagsunod.
Nagaling. Nya, unsa na gani ka grado? Haning open? Enroll na ka? Mana. So, ready na ka sa start sa klase?
Ready.
Ready? How about your requirements?
Okay naman.
Okay na. And that is from diin man gikan ang money nga imong na-save.
Kan kang pagiging mo rin.
Okay, very good. And that is from naka-save ka from the allowance from your uncle Gigam Dorinim na. Okay, so ano may masulti?
Ang pagiging dari ni Kamsamida.
Kamsamida. Gigam Doritim jang nim. Norley is now ready for the starting of the class this coming Monday na. July 29, and she have already requirements. Kinahanglan pa kanapa man kay old uniforms maraghapon imong igina-use about the school shoes na araghapon. Okay, so the old ones, school shoes already will be usable pa man, so no need to buy new. Okay, very good. So, mana ha, og na ay money is save para makapalit unsay need, no? Kaya ang sponsorship is not forever. Mohatag, that's a bonus na. Okay? Sige, garis ako dili kita na. Hi! Okay. I am now going to before Kitana's house. Maybe Kristen Faith house. I am now Kristen Faith's house. Ayo! Mother, where's Kristen Faith? Annyeonghaseyo! Hi, Faith! Kristen Faith is here. Annyeonghaseyo, Kristen Faith! Okay. Sit down, Kristen Faith. Kamusta? Nagunsa ka? Nagunsa ka from sleeping? Okay. So, kamusta man? Ready na for school class start? Ready na? New journey of your life because you're now going to unsa man grade 7. So, new friend, new circle of friends, nasa new school, and all is new. Including your things is new. Where's your things? Okay, B? Ano? Ready na bang mga things? Ready na tinuod. How about your uniform? New uniform. Okay, that's new uniform. And it's all set. Kristen Faith. And that is from Uncle Gigam Tornim. What can you say? Kamsamida. Yeah, Mother. Kamusta naman ang kinabuhi, Mother? Kira? Hasa man si Papa niya? Nanubig. So, Father, fetching water for sale, no? Para baligya, no? Okay. Hari na mo maglungag, no? Asahay sa gawas. Asahay sa gawas. Excited na, Faith? Ha? Excited na ka? Makamit og new circle of friends sa imong new school. Okay, so study hard, ha? Study more, study hard so that Uncle Gigam Dorinim will be happy sa imong nice imong grade. Okay, sige, bye sa. Hi. Bye, Mother. So guys, I'm now going to Kitana's house. Also, Or maybe Jmar, Justine, and Jishan also because they are neighborhood. I'm now at Kitana's and Lavi. 안녕하세요. Asa man? Nagkantahay? Mau dia wala si Inday dito pag adto na ako. Annyeonghaseyo Kitana. Annyeonghaseyo. So, asa man mamamanghod? Nilaag. Asa man sila nalaag?
Wala sa kabalo. Naraman ko sila.
Okay, we were going to Kitana's house. Naaraman ka, di ka? So, Kitana, are you now ready for the opening of the class?
Yes.
Yes, you have now your all needs. How about your sister?
Also too.
Also, you also too. This one. You have also shoes. Asa imo anak na? Where's na? The other one is for Mia. Why you are using with heels? Introduce ka na, be?
안녕하세요. 준원 11살 초등학교 6학년 기타나입니다.
Okay, so Kitana is now ready for the opening of the class this coming Monday. So, are you excited?
Yes.
Grade 6 na rin, no? Your sister is grade?
Grade 1 and grade 5.
Grade 1 and grade 5. Ali, Inday, si Lana. Lana, where's your bag? Asa ang bag nga gibay ni mo? Katong nag-shopping mo. That's one. And that is from... Kinsa kayo naghatag, Inday? And that is from... Uncle Yung Chulnim. No? Wow, nice kay bag si Inday. Where's your shoes? Asa mo shoes? Ready naman day si Inday nana. Oy. What grade na gani? Ikaw Inday? Oh, new sa imong shoes. Kwa Inday imong shoes. Wow, ka nice oh shoes. Oy, grade 1. Ano ka? Gano ka? Gano ka? Gano ka? Kagapang Inday, oy. Lagi, oy. So, good luck for your opening of the class, ha. Bantay ibong manghunta na, ha. Oh, they say mo schedule. Pero morning, whole day ka. All day. So, magdungan mo, gikan. Okay. Morning session sa sinana. Wala pa kakabalo. If dungan mo schedule, kung morning siya, magdungan na magikan. No? If hapon siya, kasi maghatod. Si Papa maghatod, if hapon si Nana. Okay. How about you, Labin? Annyeonghaseyo. How about you? Asa mong balay, day? Oh, diri lagi hapon. Si hindi gihapon. Diri, day, all in one, day mo. So, also, Labin, we're staying here. Kina! Oh, bag-umang mata. Annyeonghaseyo, Kina.
안녕하세요.
So, diri, sad ka? Gatulog?
Diri po.
Abi, bala ko blayin imong balay. Sa Kina, just manggaling walk up. Just walk up? 8 times 6? 7 times 9? Ikaw, Kina, ready na? Sa open sa class? Nanay ko, nanay, dapat may requirements, no? You have still the old notebook, pwede ra maura sa tigamiton, then after, kung nanay requirements, andi sir pa magpalit kay then lain may iniwasa sometimes katumang dako nga notebook sa dili katung mga kuan gagmay. Okay, good luck everyone for the opening of the class this coming Monday. Okay, bye for now.
Bye.
Mother. Bye. Bye. Kamusta man ni sila, mother?
Ayo man.
So, ikaw tanan should mag-prepare sa ilahang mga pagkaon, mother, no? All in one, should ay mo, no?
Mata na po ko ni Kalastris. Na may buntago nila, lasay pa na kuan.
Oy, how about the kuan? Kamu, mga biguan na mo, ha? You need to help your grandma. Dili kay si grandmother na per may mag-prepare sa pagkaon ninyo every morning. Kita na, practice, ha? Practice. Kabali siya maluto, mother?
Ay, kaya mga itlog.
Itlog. Ang itlog, di mapagod. Kani, kabali mo luto?
Oh, kao na.
Kabaw mo lungag, dili mo hilaw. Okay, you need to, kuan ha, you need to help your grandmother, kay your grandmother is kuan na, oh. Yang na ba, yang, old na baya ni. Pwede ra yang, ragihapon si grandmother, oh. Also, you love him, ha? Need to help. Big family kayo mo da, kung kanang nag-usa ra jud ay mo. Okay. Sige, bye for now. Pasulod ko, dili. Pasulod ko, dili. Ah, dili na lang.
Ayo na kami nga.
Okay? Okay, daghan? Oh, sige. Keep your inday na. Keep your bag na. Excited na ka, inday, mo school sa Marigondon Elementary School? Ha? Excited na? Wala, dili. Excited? Kinsa ganito naghatag sa imong bag? This one? See? Kinsa gani? Kita na, practice si Inday Nana, ha? Sa name sa imong sponsor. Kinsa gani?
Yung Johnny.
Uncle Yang Cholim.
Kamsamida.
Okay, kamsamida for everything, yung Cholim. Okay. Bye! Ari na sa ko sa Pikas.
Sir, baligya pa din.